Hi guys, Lizbeth here. Thanks for joining me. I'm just doing a really quick declutter of a bunch of categories. I just went through my house. I'm working on minimalism. So here's what I've got today. Some of it's toss, some of it's donate. I'll just do whatever's appropriate to the catalog. To the category. Maybe I could speak. I did buy two new pairs of shoes. They do match. And then I got rid of two other ones. You won't see those. I threw them in the trash. I went to dig them out and they got like corn cobs from when we had sweet corn, or at least my husband. And so I figured you didn't want to see that. But other than that, let's turn around and check out the pile. I've got just a suit. My husband has lost 50 pounds, so a suit, pants, jammies, they're just too big for him now. And some socks that he never uses. I've got some other clothes that my granddaughter's outgrown. Some shirts and shorts that my grandson has outgrown. That I bought it on sale at a going out of business place and didn't check the back. I actually purchased it too small, those tights. Got this, kids never really used it. The spatula is actually getting thrown away. I had it in the donate pile. I was like, wait a minute, it's falling apart on the back side, is why I'm getting rid of it. So obviously it's a throwaway. I have a little woodwick candle, but the lavender scent makes me cough. Well, I know it makes me cough. I haven't used it yet, but I know it's not good for me. I don't think I used it. Actually, I better check on that. But I'm going to donate that. These masks are not ones that I enjoy, so I'm going to donate the other ones. And just random things. Some paper I don't need, a bag. The kids are too big, they don't need this anymore. I thought the kitty would like some of these. The mice are too hard, they don't like the ones that are really hard to bite. And these, which I thought they'd love because they chirp and everything, they totally ignore those. There's a pan that maybe someone can get some use out of. So that was a real quick all-around declutter. I am working towards minimalism. I've been decluttering for quite a while, and I'm basically getting towards the end, running out of stuff to declutter. I just basically declutter, as an ongoing process now, and I will talk with you guys later. Bye.